Can you comment on Instagram post with photo? Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and scroll through and tap on the post that you want to make a comment in and then tap on the comment option you see there. Now, in the comments section, as you can see, there are a few options such as your sticker. However, if you tap on the sticker icon, you will see options such as avatar or GIFs. However, you will not see the option for making a comment with images anywhere. So, unfortunately, as of now, you cannot comment on Instagram post with a photo. Stay connected with us and we will update you as soon as Instagram comes with a feature as such. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.